Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the different types of links that you can set up and display on your SharePoint page. Okay, to start, we're going to jump into our editing environment. So from the Site Actions gear, you're going to select Edit Page. All right, so first I'm going to show you how to set up a document link. So a document link is just a link to a documents page where you can pay or print or download directly from that page. So you'll click into your page content, then you'll head over to the Insert tab, and you will select Upload a File. So first make sure that Destination Library is where you want your document to end up. So you want to change that to Documents, and then you're going to choose a file. Okay, so we're going to choose our file, which will be the CMS Branding Guide. You'll select Open, and then OK to upload. Alright, you'll then save, and you should see a clickable link for the branding guide, and next to that you can type a call to action such as download the CMS Branding Guide. Okay, so if you have a document already in your site contents that you want to link to, there is another way to do that. So go ahead and set up a call to action such as click here to download the CMS Branding Guide. Okay, so you can either highlight this entire line or just click here. That is just by preference. And in the Insert tab, under Link, you'll select From SharePoint. Okay. You'll then locate the file you want to link and select Insert. And you should now have a clickable link that should take you to the same page this first one will. Okay, so one more important step that you should always take when you are creating a link to a document is to allow that document to open in a new tab. That way the user does not lose their page and their session is not interrupted. So if you click on the link that you just created, in your ribbon you'll see the green link tab appear. So under the link tab, you'll check off the open a new tab box. So I'll save my changes and make sure it works how it should. So it opens a new tab just as it should. That way the user can easily go back to the tab that they had originally opened with the page they were on. Alright, so the next type of link I want to show you is an internal link. So an internal link will take you in between pages within your SharePoint site, so you'll always be in the SharePoint environment. So I'm going to just set up a link that will point to the staff directory. So my call to action will be click here to open the staff directory page. Okay, so again, you can highlight this entire line, or you can highlight just click here. So under link, on your Insert tab, you're going to select From SharePoint. You're then going to locate the Pages folder under the site you are on. And then I will select the staff page and insert. Okay, so that is now a clickable link that will take me to the staff directory page. Right, so the next type of link I'm going to show you is an external link. So an external link will take you to a non-SharePoint site. And for my example, I'm going to create an external link that points to the Philip O. Berry Student Services site, which is not hosted on SharePoint. It is hosted on Google Sites. So I will first type out my call to action, which will be click here to open the Philip O. Berry Student Services page. And because it is an external site, I'm going to let people know that this will open in a new tab. Right, so again, you can either highlight this entire line here or just the click here. Okay, so under the Insert tab, under Link, I'm going to select From Address this time. My text to display will just be click here, and then my address, I will go ahead and paste that in, and then select OK. Right, so that should now be a clickable link. And because it is an external site, I want this to open in a new tab. So you should now see a green link tab in your ribbon, and you'll see the Open a New Tab checkbox. So you'll check that off, and then you will save your changes. And if you click on it, it opens in a new tab, and you'll see that this is a non-SharePoint site. Okay, so just as a bonus, this is another type of link that you can do, which is displaying a link as an image. So the image that you're going to use when you click on it, it will act as a link and it will take you to another page. So for my example, I'm going to use an image, specifically a Facebook logo that will take you to the CMS Facebook page. So under the Insert tab, I'm going to select a picture from SharePoint. Since I already have one uploaded, it is this Find Us on Facebook image. I will then insert, and I'm going to click on that image to highlight it. And then under the Insert tab, I'm going to insert a link. I will insert it from address. I will paste my link in there and then select OK. And because it is an external site, aka a non-SharePoint site, I will open that link in a new tab. Okay, so there should be a link attached to this image now. So if I save my changes and select the image, it will take me to the CMS Facebook site or Facebook page. Okay, so that is all the types of links that you can display on your SharePoint page. If you have any questions in regards to any of the links I've showed you today, please feel free to reach out to the CMS web team.